Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about Google Scholar. First of all, I will show you the content which I am going to discuss in this video. Basic options in Google Scholar, how to do advanced research, how to save articles to your library, how to cite a paper or reference, how to create email alert, how to create link into EndNote, and how to create Google Scholar profile to increase your citations. Scholar.google.com. This is the website of Google Scholar. Here I search any construct name, supervisor support, organizational commitment. Yeah, when you search any keyword in Google Scholar, it will give you results present in the Google Scholar database. I am getting 1,27,000 results for this keywords. Blue color line is title of the paper, and below the title of the paper you will find a green color section. In green color section, it is divided into four parts. First one is the author, second is the journal name, third is the year, and fourth is the website of the journal. And if I click on this paper, it will take me to the full paper of the paper. And I'm going back. See, this is in bracket, it is mentioned PDF. That's why it is taking me directly to PDF. If I select this one, I'm opening it in new tab, then it will take me to the journal where it is present. If I want to download the full paper for this paper, then I have to go here, open a new tab. Yeah, you are not going to the journal, you are directly getting the full paper. If you don't have any PDF file available for the papers, here on the right side there is no option for PDF. This paper is not available for free. You have to go to the journal website, and from there you have to access the full paper if it is available there. Otherwise, if you select on the PDF, then it will take you to the purchase the paper. This is how we access the paper. Below the paper title and the information of the paper, there are 5 to 6 options available here. First of all, I go to the save option. If I click this save, it will automatically ask me to sign in. Once I sign in, this will enable the option for save. Now I am selecting this star. It is now dark. Similarly, I select this one. Again, it is saved to your library. Where to find these saved papers? That is, I click on my library option. I am getting the papers which I have saved, and I go back. If I remove some of the saved papers, then I will not find these three papers. I will find some other papers which I have saved earlier. Here, if I select double quotation option, this Google Scholar will give you by default 5 different citations. If I want to copy the reference of API style, then I will select this and copy, and then I will paste it in my document. Below this, you will find some more options available. These are nothing but the reference management tools, BibTeX, EndNote, RefMan, and RefWorks. If I click on EndNote, this will ask me to save the file somewhere in my PC. Once I save the file in my PC, and when I access EndNote, I will get the citation added into my EndNote library. If you want to learn more about EndNote, you can view my previous video which I have given in my description. I'm closing this, and I'm going to explain what is cited by. Cited by is the citations of this paper. When I open cited by, then it will give me the 19 results, 19 citations of this paper. Related articles. Related articles are simply the articles which are having some kind of similarity of this paper. I am getting 101 results for the related articles of this paper. All two versions. If some paper is not having a PDF file available, no, suppose this paper is not having PDF file available, then you can check for all versions. If possible, you may get full paper in any one of these, because all versions is nothing but the paper is located in different websites. Okay, this is about all versions. If you click on this double arrow, this is nothing but the cached. It will show you the view as HTML. This HTML is nothing but this is how Google Scholar has assessed you based on your keywords. I'm going back now, and I'm going to explain what is the advanced search in Google Scholar. Click on these three lines and go to advanced search. In advanced search, you will find an option called with all words. By default, it will search with all words. To make it specific, I can I remove this and I type here exact phrase and then search again. then it is giving me only 11 results, because I am searching only the exact phrase of these keywords. And other option is at least one words. Okay, written the articles authored by, you can type the author name and search based on the author, and similarly year. Okay, this is about advanced search. In the page itself you have some options to search in advanced mode, that is based on the year. If I select since 2020, then I am getting 2370 results only, because these papers are published in only in 2020. Similarly, if I select from 2016, it will give me 35,000 results. I can select custom range also. I can select from 1980 to 2020. I am getting 18,600 results. This is how we sort based on the year. We have option for create alert. This is helpful when you want to receive an email alert based on your search results. It can help you in updating you what are the updates happening in the related keywords. And I select create alert, an alert will be created, and I will get an email for each and every time these papers are cited. That is about creating alert. Finally, I'm going to show you how to see authors, and as well as how to create our Google profile. For example, I'm going to show you one author's profile. Suppose I select this author. This is the author's profile. This is the name of the author, affiliation, and this is their area of interest. These are their papers, and this is the citations, and it is sorted based on the year. If you select an year, it will be sorted from 2020 by latest. If you select on cited by, it will sort by citations. And on the right side, you will find the H index, I index of this author, and you will find an option for co-authors. These are the co-authors. Okay, this is about Google profile. If you follow, click on follow, you will get option like this. First one is new articles by this author, and new citations to the author, and new articles related to the author. If I select all these three, I will get an email alert whenever this author publishes a new paper, or this author's papers get any new citations, or any new articles related to this author's research. This is the Google Scholar profile of already existing author. I want to create my own profile. Now I select this. I have to select the name, and I have to select the affiliation, email for verification, and then my areas of interest. And in home page, select my site, or my affiliation website. And after this, once I select next, it will show me your please use an email address at your institution, because this is my personal email id. If I don't have any institution email id, then I have to make this blank. Okay, similarly, if I don't have website, I have to make this blank, and I select next. It will show the papers based on my name. See, all the papers are Vijay Kumar P only. Until or unless you select any of the paper related to your research, you cannot go next. This is where some people might have stuck. So select any of the author's articles. Select the author which is having less articles. I am selecting this author, and I am selecting next. After this, it will ask me to updates. I am selecting make my profile public, and done. After this, your Google profile is created, but these papers are not your papers. To just to create Google profile, we have used some author's name to enter into this Google profile. So I have to select all the titles and delete. Now I don't have any papers, so my profile seems empty. Until or unless you add your email id as per your university or organization database, your search results is not visible to others. And you can add your photo. And if you want to add articles which is not present in Google Scholar, articles manually here, give title, author, journal, volume, issue, page, and publisher, and all, whether it is a conference or book or thesis or patent. This is about co-author. If you have any co-author, you can edit under the name of the co-author. Okay, I'm closing this. This is how what we have learned in this Google Scholar website. Similarly, you can select and see your profile. Now you will see your profile here. Now you will see your library here. You will see your metrics, alerts, you have created one alert now, that is this alert. If you can add an extension in Google Scholar. Go to Google Scholar extension, and it will take you to Google Scholar extension button. If you add the extension here, then it will appear here. From here I can select, I can cite directly from here, or if you want the full website, you have to select this. It will take you again to the Google Scholar website only. Okay, this is how we add extension. This is it. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like this video, please like, comment and share the video. And if you want related updates, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.